Hello friends, this is Laksh Gupta from CBSE French class 9 and 10th. In this video, we are going to cover lesson 1 of Entrejean class 9. So, let's start without any further delay. Let's come to the first page. Here we can see a discussion between two people. Akansha se présente. Akansha presents herself. Akansha. Je m'appelle Akansha. J'ai 16 ans. Je suis au lycée. My name is Akansha. I am 16 years old. I am in high school. Voici mon frère Kunal. Here is my brother Kunal. Il a 17 ans. He is 17 years old. Il est au lycée aussi. He is in high school also. Et toi and you? Tu t'appelles Pauline. Is your name Pauline? Tu as quel âge? You are of what age? Tu habites où? Where do you live? Tu es français. Are you French? Now, notre père travaille à l'ambassade de l'Inde à Paris. Our father works at the Embassy of India in France. Notre mère est professeur de la musique classique indienne. Our mother is teacher of Indian classical music. Nos camarades de classe sont très sympas. Our classmates are very gentle. So, now let's come to the exercise. First, we have to tell our age. Uh, Kumututapel, sorry, our name. So we have to tell our name. So if my name is Laksh Gupta, so I'll write it Jamapel Gupta Laksh, like this. In French, we always write a surname first, followed by the name. Surname is always in capital letter and name is in the normal way. Now we have to tell our age. Quel âge as-tu? My age is, for example, 13. So I'll write J'ai 13 ans. Now we have to tell where you live. For example, if I live in Delhi, I'll write Je habite à Delhi, like this. I will have an accent that I am just putting. Now, what is your nationality? You have to tell your nationality. If I am Indian, I'll write Je suis Indien. If you are boy, you'll write this. If you are a girl, you like this, because the adjective will be written as per the noun. If the noun is if the noun is feminine, it will be written like Indian, like this, and if it's masculine, it's written like this. I will have an accent like this. Okay, now let's come to the fifth part. Co faith or pair. You have to tell what the father does. Your father can do anything. If your father is a doctor, we write like this: Mo per e medico. Okay, so you can write any profession. Please pardon the accents. And your mother, you have to tell the profession of your mother. It can be anything. For example, if your mother is engineer, you can write engineer. Doctor. I am writing housewife, so it will be written a femme or foyer. Okay, like this. Okay. Now let's come into the next part. Here is Vuasa Aliena Nargis. Here is Ali and Nargis. They are Senegalese. Their nationality is Senegal. Leur père paro habito à Dakar or Senegal. Their parents live at Dakar in Senegal. Leur père est informaticien. Their father is engineer, computer scientist. Il travaille chez IBM. He works at IBM. Okay, so so now let's come to this part. Ja, bro, a salue. I learned to give regards or salute. For chaque image, retrouve le bon dialogue. For each image, find the best dialogue. So there are a variety of dialogues given in the next page, and we have to match it to them. You can do this on your own, and there can be multiple answers for this. Okay, so let's move to the next part straight away. Il se présente sur Internet. He presents himself on Internet. Salut, je m'appelle Vasu. Hello, my name is Vasu. Je suis Indian. I am Indian. J'habite à Chennai. I live in Chennai. J'ai 13 ans. I am 13 years old. Je parle Hindi, Anglais. I speak Hindi, English, Tamil, and a little French. Je aim. It's continued. Now next. Bonjour. Mon nom c'est Bond. James Bond. Hello. My surname is said this is Bond. James Bond. His name is James Bond. I am from London. Je suis de Londres. Je suis anglais. I am English. I am British. Je parle bien. I speak well English, French, and Spanish. Now next, last. Salut. Hello. I am from Paris. Je suis de Paris. Mais je suis Anglérian. I am from Paris, but I am Algerian. Je parle français. I speak French, Arabic, and a little German. Un peu allemand. Mes parents habitent en Algérie. My parents live in Algeria. Amir Abdullah. His name is Amir Abdullah. Okay, now let's fill the box. We have to tell name and first name. For the first, the name is Vasu, surname is not given. Age is given to be 13 years. 13. Now we have to tell the nationality. Nationality is given to be Indian. Name of village is given to be Chennai. Language is spoken. It's given to be Hindi, English, Anglais, Tamil, and Francais. Now, next, name is given to be Bond. Now, I told you that surname will always be in capital, so that and name like this. Age is not given. Nationality is English, Anglais. Name of village is given to be London, Londres, and language spoken is given to be English, Anglais, Francais, and the last is Espanol, Spanish. Now, next is given to be Amir Abdullah. It's Abdul, and now the surname will always be in capital, so it's Abdullah, Abdullah, and then the name which is Amir, like this. Okay. Now age is not given. Nationality is Algerian. Algerian. Name of village is Pahi, Paris, and the languages spoken are Francais, French, Arabic, and the last is Alemán, German. So it's like this. Okay, now we have to study the family of Martin. First, it's Dennis Martin. He's 16 years old and he is lycée. Lycée means he goes to school. Now, first, let's study Mr. Gerard Martin. He is 75 years old and he is a medicine. Medicine means doctor. He is the grandfather of Dennis Martin. And now let's study Mrs. Michelle Martin. She's 70 years old and she is school teacher of a school. Now she is the grandmother of Martin and they are the grandparents of Martin and Martin is their grandchildren. Next, Mr. Renaud Martin. He is 43 years old and he is an engineer. He is the father of Dennis Martin. Now, Mrs. Yvette Martin. She's 40 years old and she's an architect. And she's the mother of Dennis Martin. And Dennis Martin is their son. Next, Catherine Dubos. She is the cousin of Dennis Martin. She's 23 years old and she's a pianist. Next, Sylvie Martin. She's 13 years old and she's a collegian. Collegian means she goes to college. She is the sister of Dennis Martin and Dennis Martin is her brother. Now let's study Pierre Dubo. Pierre Dubo is 25 years old and he's a journalist. He's the cousin of Dennis Martin. Next, Mrs. Sophie Dubois. She is 50 years old and she's a secretary. She is the aunt of Dennis Martin. Next, Mr. Mark Dubois. He is 55 years old and he's an advocate. He's the uncle of Dennis Martin and he is the nephew of both of them. So, this way, we have completed the family of Dennis Martin. Now, in this exercise, you have to present a family tree. This exercise you can do on your own and present your family tree in a nice manner. Now, in this exercise, you have to complete it by any place and any name. This exercise you can do it on your own and it's very simple and answers may vary. Next, we have to study the French alphabet. This you have learned many times in your junior classes and hence this also can be done on your own. Now, let's study the numbers of French. 0, 0. Un, un, two, deux, three, trois, four, quatre, five, cinq, six, six, seven, sept, eight, huit, nine, neuf, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12 douze, 13 treize, 14 quatorze, 15 quinze, 16 seize, 17 dix-sept, 18 dix-huit, 19 dix-neuf, 20th vingt, 21st vingt-et-un, 22 vingt-deux, 29 vingt-neuf, 30th trente, 40 quarante, 50 cinquante, 60 soixante, 70 soixante-dix, 71 soixante-onze, 79 soixante-dix-neuf, 80 80, 81 81, 90 90, 91 91, 100 100. So we have completed the French counting. Now let's come to this page. Avant la course, before the class. Dennis, I will present you my father and my mother. My other invitees are late. Mais autres invités sont en retard. Voici Catherine. Catherine, so pere advocate. His Catherine's father is advocate. Her mother is secretary. Catherine's mother is secretary. Ses cousines sont encore étudiants. Her her cousins are still students. Ali says to Dennis, "You, where is your sister and your cousin Pierre?" So Dennis' cousin is Pierre. Your grandparents, and Dennis asks Ali asks Dennis about his grandparents. Now, the second is Ali is a friend of Dennis. Now, from their conversation, we can see that it's a very informal conversation and it's most probably a conversation between friends. So, this is true. The mother of Dennis is secretary. This is not true because it's the mother of Catherine. So, it's false. The cousins of Dennis work. This is not true as it's not given anywhere. False. Last, the cousins of Dennis is named Paul, but the cousin of Dennis is named Pierre, hence it's false. Now let's study the articles. Definite article for masculine is le, for feminine it's la, and for plural it's le. Whenever there is a singular noun with a vowel, it's L apostrophe. Indefinite article for masculine is a, for indefinite feminine it's tune, and for indefinite plural it's they. Seth a shear. Now Seth a effort. This is a child. Seth le effort the collar. This is the child of collar. There is an emphasis. So therefore it's definite article. The same has been used. The same difference is there in the rest of sentences. Now let's do an exercise. Complete avec a, tune, de, le, la, and le. Example, set a portable. This is a general, therefore indefinite. Set le portable de Sylvie. There is emphasis, therefore Ellie. Now let's do the first. Set a dash chambre. Therefore it's general and it will be indefinite article. It will become tune because chambre is feminine. Set dash chambre the Nicole. This is dash chamber of Nicole. Emphasis is there, therefore it will be LA because chambre is feminine. Set dash dictionary. This is a dictionary. There is a general sentence is no emphasis, therefore indefinite, and it will be a because dictionary is masculine. Set dash dictionary the Nicole. This is the dictionary of Nicole. There is emphasis, therefore Ellie. Set dash voiture. This is a car. There is the general sentence, therefore indefinite. It would become tune. Set dash voiture de la Colle. This is the car of a loc, therefore it will become la. Emphasis and voiture is also feminine. So 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 dash crayon. These are dash crayons. Therefore des a general sentence. So dash crayons to Sarah. These are the pencils of Sarah. There's an emphasis. Therefore les because it is a plural noun. So dash sacks. Therefore, it's general sentence. Des, that's indefinite. So dash sacks the Helen. These are the sacks of Helen. Emphasis therefore les. Seth dash etudio. This is a student. There, this is a general sentence and therefore it would become tune because entudia with an e is feminine. Seth dash etudia the MME Lucien. This is the child of MME Lucien, Mrs. Lucien. There is emphasis, therefore it would become L apostrophe because etudia has a vowel. Okay, so now we'll move to the next exercise. Now let's do the second exercise. We have to conjugate the verb. Nu dash are with the professor. We dash with the professor work. The present tense will be used and it will be travaillo. Travaillo. Now next. Je dash a tune chanson français sur internet. I listen a French song on internet. It would become écoute. Next, Nicole dash in Italy in May. Nicole travels in Italy in May. Therefore, it would become voyage. Nancy and Joe dash a pizza. Nancy and Joe eat a pizza. Eat. Therefore, it would become bonjour. Nous dash la chambre. We search the chamber. It would become rongier. Do dash a bon film à la télé. You watch a good film at the television. Therefore, regarde. This is general conjugation of verb and you need to learn the conjugation of verbs to do this exercise. Now, in this exercise, we have to listen and repeat the numbers of telephone. We cannot do this exercise online, but you must know that in French, the numbers are written in pairs of two with the pair separated by a dot. Now, let's do the fourth exercise. We have to prepare an identity card. Now, this is a very important question and often comes in exam. So let's start. First, we have to write our surname. My surname is Gupta. Therefore, I will write Gupta like this. I have told you earlier that surname is always written in capitals. Next, we have to write a first name. So it will be written in normal way, Laksh. Next, we have to write the date of birth. Suppose my date of birth is 1st April. So I'll write 1st April like this. And followed with the year. For example, is 2000. So it will be written like this. Now we have to write our address. You can write your address. For example, my address is C2 Rue XYZ. Rue means street. It's like this. And I'll write Delhi. Now we have to tell our telephone number. It can be anything, but I told you that we have to always write the numbers in pairs of two separated by dots. So we'll write it like this. Suppose it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we'll have to separate them by dots in a pair of two, so it will be written like this. Now you have to tell our email address. You can write your email address and it will, suppose it's abc@xyz.com. So now let's move to the next exercise. Now in the fifth exercise question, we have to present ourselves and our classmates in the class. I am giving you a sample presentation and you can modify it according to your needs. Now, first we are describing ourselves. Je m'appelle Pierre. My name is Pierre. Je suis français. I am French. Je habite à Paris. I live in Paris. J'ai 13 ans. I am 13 years old. Je étudie au college. I study in college. J'aime jouer au cricket et au foot. I like to play cricket and football. I play also piano. Je joue aussi du piano. Now we are describing our classmate. Mon camarade s'appelle Pierre. My classmate's name is Pierre. Il est français. He is French. Il habite à Marseille. He lives in Marseille. Il étudie avec moi dans ma classe. He studies with me in my class. We go together to the school. Nous allons ensemble à l'école. Il est sympathique et gentil. He is sympathetic and gentle. He is adorable. Il est adorable. You can modify this according to your needs. Now let's do the sixth question. We have to arrange the dialogues in order. First, Nicole Duvernoy. Duvernoy, bonjour madame, hello madame, hello ma'am. No, Duvernoy, avec a V. No, Duvernoy with a V. Basically, he is clearing that it's Duvernoy with a V instead of a B. Bonjour, vous appelez comment? What is your name? So let's start. First will be greeting, so it will be bonjour madame. Second will be bonjour in response and what is your name? So it will be second. Third will be the answer to what is your name. It will be Nicole Duber. No, third. Now he will ask in return, is it Duvernoy? So it will be fourth, and fifth will be the clarification. No, it's Duvernoy with a V. So it's like this. Now let's read the second. Yes, I am good. And you? V. Sava Bia Itua 25 Rue Balzac is the address. Salut Pauline Sava. Hello Pauline, how are you? Maxi Pauline, au revoir. Thank you Pauline. Bye. Good. I search the cinema audio. You know where is it? Sava. Je search the cinema audio. Tu say, who say. So let's start. First will be salutation. So it will be salut Pauline. She will ask how is Pauline. Second will be the response of Pauline. Yes, good. And you? And he will ask in return, how are you? So second. Third, she will say that I am good. So it will be Sava. And then they will say, I search the cinema audio, you know where it is. Then he will give the address 25 U Balzac. Then at last he will say thank you and goodbye. Okay, so this. Now let's do the seventh question. Après le cours, after the class, Akansha, bonjour, je m'appelle Akansha. Et toi? Akansha is saying hello. My name is Akansha and you? Dennis is saying bonjour Akansha. Hello Akansha. Dennis is saying salut Pauline. Hi Pauline. Pauline is saying salut Dennis. Sava. Hi Dennis, how are you? Pauline is saying bonjour Kunal. Good morning Kunal. Where are you? Where do you live? Pauline is saying je m'appelle Pauline. My name is Pauline. Pauline is saying Sava Dennis. Je présente. I will present you Akanksha. She comes from India. She is Indian. I live 2 Rue she is giving her address. Kunal is giving his address. Akanksha, Bunju wala said Kunal. Akanksha is saying hello. This is Kunal. He is Indian. We Sava Etua. Now he is saying yes and you. So let's start to solve this. First, Akanksha will say hello. My name is Akanksha and so it will be first. Second, Pauline will answer, my name is Pauline. So it will be second. Third, Dennis will say, hello Pauline. So it will be third. Fourth, Pauline will say, hello Dennis, how are you? So it will be fourth. Fifth, Dennis will say, yes, I am good. And you? So this will be fifth. Sixth will be, Pauline will say, I am good. Dennis, I will present you a kancha. So this will be sixth. Seventh will be Dennis will say Bonjour Akansha. So this will be seventh. Eighth will be Akansha will say hello. This is Kunal. He is Indian. Akansha will present Kunal. So this is eighth. Ninth will be Pauline will say Bonjour Kunal. Where do you live? So it will be this this nine. And last will be Kunal will answer Pauline where he lives. He lives in 2 rubles. So it will be 10. So this way, this dialogue will be solved. This is a complex dialogue and you might need to replay it. Now let's do the eighth question. Here we are given some words and we are given some their complete forms. We have to match them. This normal does not come in this way and you get this in the form of fill in the blanks where you have to tell the full form of the words. This can be done easily in the form of fill in the blanks because it can be seen as stand for Society Nationale de Chemin de France. So it will be first. TGV stands for Train à Grande Vitesse. Second. Third, PDG, President Director General. Third. Fourth will be AONU, Organization des Nations Unies. Fourth, and last is Organization Mondial de la Santé. Fifth, OMS. So let's move ahead. There are some in the last part of the chapter, some pictures are given that you can see for an extra knowledge. Now we will be doing some important civilization questions which come in the exam. So let's start. So these are the important civilization questions. First, pourquoi appelle la France l'hexagone? Why does one call the France the hexagon? Appelle la France la hexagone parce que la carte de la France a plus ou moins la forme de hexagon. One calls the France a hexagon because the map of France has more or less the form of an hexagon. Now, these are some important French villages: Lyon, Nantes, Paris, Marseille, Lille, Avignon. Next, these are some important French rivers: La Seine, La Loire, La Garonne, La Drine. Next, these are some important French mountains: Les Alpes, Le Massif Central, Les Vosges, Les Pyrenees. Next, some important French monuments: La Tour Eiffel, Les Invalides, Notre Dame, Le Palais du Louvre. Next, quel fleuve traverse Paris? Which river crosses Paris? La Seine. Next, we just revised the full forms of these words: SNCF, ONU, OMS, PDG, TGV. These are very important and must be revised. The last, prepare votre fiche d'identité. Prepare your identity card. These are some important civilization questions. You must take a screenshot of this and learn them while preparing for your exams. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video as much as possible so that I get encouraged to make many more videos. Thank you.